Hello guys, this is Cricket Sky YouTube channel and myself Sanjay Krishnan. So this video is going to be an interview. So the guest of the interview is a fantastic cricketer with amazing personality, a player who played for Mumbai Ranji team and T20 format for Mumbai during the year of 2014, 15, 17 and now currently being, and also he was being a part of a development squad for Rajasthan Royals IPL team for 3 years. Prathamesh Dek. So hello sir, how are you?
Hi Sanjay, I am fine. How are you?
Yeah, I too fine and thank you sir. I think this interview is going to be an interesting thing. It also has a question session in that the first question is, sir, I had came to know that you are being a successful in T20 format and also had a good name in Mumbai. So whatever thing that makes this more complicated is cricket viewers and cricket reviewers have been saying T20 format will not define the player's ability and talent, because a bowler will bowl only the 4 overs but a batsman the success rate will be 50. So the technical side of the players will remain silent in the T20 format, they will not get success. So what is your view on T20 format and the statement, please say?
Well, I feel that T20 format, one day format, or test format, each format is a special format in itself. Every format needs a unique way of playing. If I talk about the technical aspect of the game, the technical aspect definitely will remain silent if it is compared to the test cricket, because test cricket is played for 5 days or 4 days in Ranji Trophy as we consider. That is why it is called as test cricket, because it tests your patience, it tests your skills, it tests your technique, everything. But is T20 cricket not important? I don't think so, because T20 cricket has given exposure to many players. Let's talk about Bhuvneshwar Kumar, let's talk about Ravi Ashwin and many other players who went on to play IPL. From IPL they got a good platform to go on to the next level, that is test cricket and one day cricket in the international level. So each and every format is important in its own way. And nowadays cricketers are smart, they train accordingly to they train according to the format. And when it comes to a particular format, many of the players, they know that which is the format which suits them the best. Am I good for T20s? Am I good for one dayers? Am I good for test cricket? This is a question which nowadays each and every player they ask themselves, and whatever answer they have, based upon that they prepare themselves for that particular format in a much better way. But yes, each player can definitely be groomed from one format to the another, provided he has got a very good guidance and very good support. So I would say T20 format is a really important and a really wonderful format, because finance is one thing which each and every player is going to expect out of playing cricket as well. So India being a country wherein there are a lot many players who are not from a very good background when it comes to finance, cricket and the T20 format, it really helps them to get to the next level, that is the IPL. And IPL, as we all know, that it is giving a wonderful package for all the cricketers. So, and why not, everybody needs finance for their life. So I think it's a very positive thing that every cricketer is taking, and I feel the T20 format is also a really important format.
Many valuable points you mentioned, sir. That's good. And also, as you mentioned, that a player who came from a poor background but T20 format will support them, will give a sufficient experience and exposure to, and that's a brilliant and agreeing point, sir. So the second question is, for previous answer you answered very clearly with clarity. So I am asking this question to you. What makes you to take your career in sports, sir, especially in cricket, in a sense as an inspiration? What makes you to take? Please explain.
Well, I have been playing cricket since I was a kid, and I loved playing cricket. Cricket was like a hobby, but then it turned into a passion and later into profession. So, playing now, I think it's 17 years of cricket, competitive cricket that I have played. When I counted from the school level, college level, interstate, Ranji Trophy, and etc. etc. So, these many number of matches that I have played, I have learned a lot from this game. This game teaches us how to stand when you are defeated, when you have not won a game, how to stand on the next day on your feet back, and how to do well again for that particular day. So each day is important. What is your mindset for that particular day? How you should be positive in your life. So when I compare the cricketing aspect of the life to your usual life, we get to learn a lot of things from this game. The positive attitude, the winning attitude, the good approach, and to accept the defeat is also really important, because ultimately it's a game. Someone is going to lose, someone is going to win, and when you are on the losing side, that is the time when we get to learn a lot. We go back to our plans, the strategies, the plannings which have failed. That is what is going to make us, that is what is going to help us to do well in the next game. Similar is the case when we live our life. Like if we have failed today, how can we come back stronger the next day? That this is what cricket has taught us. So each day we get a result out of it, whether it's a defeat or whether it's a success. If we get a success, we are happy and we want to do better the next day as well. So this game has taught us a lot, and I'm really really glad by the grace of God that I have been playing this game consistently since many years. And I am fortunate enough to have played this game. And of course, I would definitely be open to whatever suggestions I can to all my friends or my other people who talk about cricket, because cricket has given me a lot, and I would do the same for cricket as well.
Perfectly explained, sir, and that was a meticulous answer from you, and that's good. And also, as you mentioned that a cricketer life will definitely help in a usual life, that I will agree, because in a game one man will win and one man will lose. A person who is getting lost will work on the thing where they did mistake and work on the thing that makes them to be perfect. That's a very great thing, I feel, sir, and that's good. So the third question is, because of the COVID-19, many sports field and many sports field affected severely, that we all know. Because of this, many sports players has to take COVID-19 test and has to be in quarantine. So what is your view on that? Please explain.
COVID-19 was a grave situation for the whole country and the whole world since almost 9 to 10 months now. It had a major setback on cricket and all the sports, not just cricket, throughout the world. But we all are happy as a cricketers that cricket has started to make a small comeback when we all see the test series which is currently going on, and also the Syed Mushtaq Ali Trophy which is going to be conducted in this week. So we are all happy that cricket is back, but there are certain rules, there are certain quarantine rules and regulations which we all are following, that we have been tested almost on regular basis, and we are all in a bubble, so that we don't break the bubble, so that we all don't get exposed to if there is any COVID situation somewhere. So that it is all a precautionary measure which is what we are following, and I guess that is the best thing to do right now. And it has become a very much a normal thing right now, since we want to come back and play again with all the enthusiasm, with all the zest. So we definitely have to follow these rules, and I'm very happy that these rules are there, because of these rules everybody is quite safe when they are playing this particular game. So I'm pretty happy that cricket is back, but of course with the quarantine, and this is our new normal, so I'm pretty happy about it.
Yes, sir. At the beginning of COVID-19, many sports field has affected severely. But now, as you mentioned that with the precautionary measures, a new normal of cricket has been following, and the new normal consists of quarantine, bio bubble, has to take COVID test. And however, moreover, the cricket had been restarted, and that's a great thing, I feel. And also, the fourth question is, sir, you had played Ranji Trophy for Mumbai and also being a part of the T20 team since 2014, 15, 17 and currently now. I think you had a very great experience with many international players, good players. So please share the experience with us.
I had a wonderful experience when I played my Ranji Trophy for I think 3 years now, and also since I was with the RR team in the development squad, it helped me a lot to understand my game at a much better way. And I have bowled to many of the international players in the nets, in the matches, in the practice matches, in the competitive matches. So it was really great playing with all the international cricketers. You get to learn a lot from them. How do they approach? What is their thinking? How should I outfox them? Since I being a bowler, how should I outfox a batsman of an international caliber? This is what has helped me to gain a lot of knowledge about fast bowling when it comes to the shorter format of the game. and definitely you are one notch up when you are playing with them, because you also need to do well. You also get that feel that you are playing with an international cricketer, and it is really wonderful. You have that enthusiasm, you have that backing when you have somebody in your team who is of an international caliber. So it is a really great thing. It was a wonderful experience. It was a very knowledgeable experience, and it was really nice playing with them.
Wow, your experience are really good, sir, and thank you for sharing your experience with us. And audience, what the thing that he explained and what the thing that he has shared, which will be very useful for you and very interesting for you, I think so. And Cricket Sky YouTube channel is a growing YouTube channel. For that he gave an interview, so thank you, sir.
Thank you, Sanjay. It was wonderful speaking with you, and even I loved sharing the experience with you. And I really wish you a very all the best to you and your channel, that you get a lot of viewers for your channel. And as you're really doing a good job, I wish you all the best. And viewers and all my friends, please don't forget to hit the bell icon and subscribe the channel Cricket SK. Sanjay Krishnan, all the best. Take care.
Thank you, sir, and best wishes from our channel side to achieve many things in your life. And audience, please like this video and share this video to cricketers and cricket viewers. And to see many videos like this, please subscribe Cricket Sky YouTube channel and click the bell icon. Signing off, this is me, Sanjay Krishnan.